guys, in today's video I have a Bath and Body Works haul. I'm gonna do a little unboxing. Oh crap, Teddy just came in here and he scared the poop out of me. The crap, don't say poop on camera. Anyways, yeah, I'm going to unbox this for you guys right now. As you can see, I got my little cat cutter. But yeah, let's open it up. Come on, Teddy. Come on. Let's open it up. Y'all, I should have used my stand like I normally do, but I'm trying to make this video quick. Okay, let me take the important paper out first. Anyways, okay, so this was part of the $6.50 body care sale, and I only got 3 items, as you can see right now. This always has it. There's always one that has the top off. But yeah, these are the 3 ones that I picked out for $6.50. Okay, so we have here Key West, coconut water, and melon. The notes are, what are the notes? Coconut water, saltwater waves, and fresh melon. Let's take a whiff. I'm gonna spray it in the sky. Spray it in the air. That got in my eye. But it smells really good. Oh wow. It smells really good. That was too much. Okay. It smells really good. I can definitely smell the coconut and the melon. That's something actually different. Something that I don't own. Something, you know, I don't have that combination. I think because this is new, obviously, but you can definitely smell the coconut and the melon. That's pretty good. Okay, this next one is a coconut lime. Scent notes are just coconut and lime. Oh, coconut cream, sparkling lime, and saltwater waves. Let's smell this one. The packaging is so fun, you guys. I want to drink this. Okay, let's see. Spray it in the air. Don't inhale it because... Oh, that smells so good. That smells so good, y'all. Oh, wow. I really like this one. Yes, this is so good. Okay, and the last one I have here is Bahamas Passionfruit and banana flower. I've never tried this one. The scent notes are passionfruit, pineapple leaves, and banana flower. I've heard so many good things about this one. Let's see, the packaging is so pretty, you guys. I love that. Okay. There's already so many like different scents in the air, but okay, let's see. Oh, that's very tropically. It kind of smells like, that's something very different. Something I've never had before. I can't compare this to anything. That smells really good. That does smell like you're going on like you gotta go on vacation with this, y'all. That's really nice. Yo, it feels like I'm at the Bahamas. I'm in the Bahamas, y'all, with that on. Okay, so yeah, you guys, that's all 3 of the ones that I got for the $6.50 body care during the $6.50 body care sale. Let me know if you guys participated in this. I'm so happy I got to, because I had a little thing going on with my bank and I couldn't order things with my card, so I'm so happy, thank God, that I got that cleared up right on time for this sale. Hopefully there is going to be like a fragrance mist sale coming up soon, because maybe they'll be cheaper then. I can get some more of the like tropical scents that I want to try out, like the Belize one, and I wanted to try the Fiji Sunshine Guavatini too. I think those probably gonna smell pretty nice. But yeah, you guys, let me know what you guys think of each one of these scents. I'm gonna be doing a review on each one, so stay tuned for that. I'm not sure when those videos are gonna come up, but yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Hey, Daddy. Say bye. Okay. Okay.